Say his name, Yahweh, not Jehovah. There's a name that appears in the Bible over 6,800 times, a name the prophets used, a name the enemy tried to bury. That name is Yahweh, not Lord, not Jehovah. His true eternal name is Yahweh, and it's time we stop hiding it. 1. His name was never Jehovah. First things first, there was no letter J in Hebrew, not now, not ever. The name Jehovah is a man-made invention created by mixing the 4 Hebrew letters YHWH with the vowels from the word Adonai. It's not his name, it's a mistake. Even mainstream Bible scholars admit this. Encyclopedia Britannica says, the name Jehovah is a misreading of the Hebrew YHWH and is linguistically impossible. That's not opinion, that's fact. 2. His name is Yahweh, and it means something. Yahweh means He who is, or the Eternal One. It's not just a name, it's His identity. Exodus 3:15. You shall tell the children of Israel this: Yahweh, the God of your fathers, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob, has sent me to you. This is my name forever, and this is my memorial to all generations. He never said, call me Lord. He never said Jehovah. He said, Yahweh is my name forever. 3. Man tried to hide his name. Religious tradition started replacing his name with Lord out of fear or false reverence. Then came Rome. Then came the translators. Then came confusion. But Yahweh is not confused, and neither are those who seek truth. If someone changed your name, removed it from your letters, and replaced it with a title, would you accept it? 4. God is a title, not a name. God isn't a name. It's a general title. Allah is a god. Baal is a god. Zeus is a god. But there is only one Yahweh, and He wants you to know His name. Isaiah 42:8. I am Yahweh. That is my name. I will not give my glory to another, nor my praise to engraved images. 5. It's time to use His name. Some say, it doesn't matter, He knows who I mean. But if He told you His name and you know it, why wouldn't you use it? We say Abraham, we say Moses, we say David, but when it comes to the Most High, we call Him Lord or God. That's not reverence, that's tradition. And tradition doesn't trump truth. 6. Why don't more people use Yahweh? The name Yahweh was hidden for centuries by religious systems. Some were afraid to speak it. Others were trying to replace it. But the Spirit of truth is moving, and more people are returning to the name of the Most High. We don't serve a nameless God. We serve Yahweh, the Elohim of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. It will happen that whoever will call on the name of Yahweh shall be saved. Not whoever calls on Lord, but whoever calls on Yahweh. Say His name, love His name, honor His name. He is Yahweh, and there is no other.